Hello everyone, today let's make white bitter gourd pickle. This is spicy, sour, tangy and not bitter at all. So without further ado, let me show you how to make this delicious pickle that is instant. You can have them immediately. For this recipe you need about 2 white bitter gourds that are cleaned and sliced and soaked in water along with some vinegar overnight. This step is crucial because it removes the bitterness from the bitter gourd. The next day, in a pan, roast some yellow mustard along with fenugreek seeds until they are slightly brown and let them cool aside. Then in the same pan, add in some oil and squeeze the water out of the bitter gourd that you have soaked overnight and give it a small fry. Now make sure that the bitter gourd does not get brown. It need not fully cook through because the slight crunch in the pickle is the best part. So make sure you don't cook it completely. Give it a slight fry to remove any excess water, and then keep this aside and let it cool. In the same pan, again add some oil. Here I am using some sunflower oil along with gingerly oil. You could use any oil of your choice. To this I am adding mustard seeds. Once they splutter, add in some fenugreek seeds, to this add curry leaves, to this add some ginger that has been sliced very thin, about 100 grams, then give it a good stir. Then add green chillies of choice. The best for this pickle will be kandari molaga if you have that in hand, or normal green chilies will suffice. Give it a good stir and then add about 100 grams of peeled garlic. Now you can slice them if you'd like, but I like them chunky, so I'm adding them as whole, but you could slice them if you want. Give this all a good mix. Now again, make sure that they don't brown. Cook them on low heat, just a tad, not fully through. To this add some turmeric powder, give it a good mix and add the entire mixture to the fried white bitter gourd. Now keep this aside after giving it a good stir. A quick tip, add the turmeric powder only after you've put off the flame so it doesn't burn. Give this a good mix, and to this the roasted yellow mustard and fenugreek seeds need to be powdered and added. Once that's done, give this a good mix again. And let this sit for a bit. Then in the same pan, add in 2 cups of water along with half a cup of distilled vinegar. Now this is the ratio I have followed for this quantity. The exact quantities are in the caption. To this add about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. You always have to check the salt for yourself, but this seems to work for this quantity. And then about half a teaspoon of sugar as well. Give this a good mix and bring it to a complete boil. Boil it for 2 minutes and put off the flame and wait until the liquid cools completely to room temperature. Do not hurry this. Once it has completely cooled down, pour the water and the vinegar mixture into the sauteed bitter gourd, green chilies, ginger and garlic. Now slowly give this a mix. Make sure all the bitter gourd and ginger, garlic, chilies are all completely soaked in the water vinegar mixture. Press it down and let it sit, and that's it. In about 4 hours, this pickle will be ready to eat. You can bottle them and enjoy this for about 6 months. This is an absolutely delicious pickle. This is the only way bitter gourd is actually edible because it is so delicious. You are going to love this recipe. Give this a try and let me know how you liked it. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.